I'm Imran Ahmed.
Najmuddin Muhammad Yunus.
I'm Mohammad Asghar Hussain.
Ahmed Shah Safi.
So this is our group project video. So we will start explaining or showing ourselves. What is this is our section and this is our names. The title is Watson Sales Data Warehouse by countries in year 2012 to 2014. So for the data sets, in our proposal we propose a data set named Superstore Data, and then there's some difficulties, and then we change our data set from Superstore to Watson Sales. And in our data sets, we have retailer country, what are the countries like USA, UK, Spain, and then order method, how people order their product. Is it online or via fax, telephone or mail? And then retailer type, how the product, where the product is, what kind of shop it used to product sales, outdoor shop or departmental store. And then there is product type here, revenue and quantity in the data sets. So for our business process is very simple. It's like Watson sales. So for our business process we have 3 dimension tables: dim product, dim order date, and then fact sales.
Okay, thanks Imran. This is the best metrics for our project, and our project is about the Watson sales. And for the business process, we have the fact table and fact table for the sales order, and we have the granularity one row of the product sales quantity and renew database in order. And we also have the facts. In facts, we have two type, which is the renew and quantity. We use the 3 dimension table, and this 3 dimension table we have the dim date, dim order, and dim product.
So these are the dimension table we made. So this one is dim date. So the first one is date key, which is the surrogate key, and we have another columns which is date, year, month, and day. So the ETL rule, it will convert the date time to the front line, and then the next table will be go to dim order. Okay, so the dim order, the order key is the surrogate key which is auto generated. So the values will be like 1 2 3 to the values come automatically. If we increase any more columns, then it will the values will come automatically. So okay, so the another columns would be for this table is country, order method, and the order retail type. And then for the next table, okay, so this is the our dim product is another dimension table. So the surrogate key would be the product key, and we have another product line, product type, and the product name. So we have the source system is derived for the first one is derived, that means it will come automatically originally, and the rest values are comes from Watson sales products, which comes from our directly from our data set. And then for the last is our fact table, the fact table which we made from the 3 surrogate keys are here for the which is order key, date key, and product key. And these two are our two measure, which is quantity and revenue, which are the quantity is the number of products sold, and the revenue is sales and sales or income or some outlets.
Okay, we go here for our data warehouse. As you can see here, this is our data warehouse, and you can see our 4 tables here. And we go here, you can show you the query. First, we drop the database statement as a as a Western sales. Then we drop also table statement. After that, we create the tables. As you can see here, we create the dim order and dim date. After that, as you can see the query here, the dim product. After the last one will be the fact table, which is fact sales order. As you can see the order key and the key and the.
So from our database data warehouse, if you want to see our dimensional diagram, so this is our dimensional diagram where we have the fact table, and then it's connected to other dimensions because of the surrogate keys, and then the data that we populated from our data source. To show that, we select top 1000 query, and then you can see the data is populated earlier. So here are the data for the team date dimension, and then if we also see the order data that we populated from our data sources, the order keys which is aggregated, and then the country, United States, Canada, France, Singapore. These are the countries that available in data source, and then order method, how they ordered, either it's a wave, fax, and then order retailer type, what are the shops. And for the products, if we want to see the data, is any data available, and here is it. About the product, what kind of product is a product line, is it camping equipment, golf equipment, and then product type rope, and what are the brands of the products. And then finally in our fact tables, here are the data. In our fact table you can see the quantities and the revenues that populated in our data warehouse. So that's all for our project presentation. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.